Guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and open up a file. And from here, in this file, we're going to try and remove these elements. And if you look at the left corner, you should see this small toolbar. Now what we're going to do is just click on the draw tool. It usually looks like this. And as you can see by clicking that, the eraser tool also appeared. Now here, all you have to do is click on the eraser tool, then wipe it to the element you would like to remove. You can keep on wiping off all the elements until your file is fully clean. This tool is especially helpful if at times you accidentally draw or put wrong elements in your file. You can easily remove them by using the eraser tool. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!